What's going on, guys? My name is Alex, and today we're going to go over my 5 favorite money-making methods for teens. If this sounds interesting to you, leave a like and subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. So chances are you're a teen looking for a little bit of extra income online. Whether you can't go out and do it yourself or you don't have access to a bank, earning a little bit of extra income can be wonderful. You can either use it to fund your potential business, use it as potential investments, or even just go out and spend some money on food. Either way, I believe these methods can help put a little bit of extra money in your pockets. Alrighty, so let's get into website number 1. Make sure you stay to the end because number 5 is my favorite one. And let's take a look what we got here. So Microsoft Rewards. Microsoft Rewards is actually really great for teens. You don't have to be a certain age to get signed up. This is what you'll type into Google, Microsoft Rewards. Then once you click this button, you'll go over here and you can sign up. So basically what this does, Microsoft actually has a platform that allows you to earn rewards from searching into the web browser or just doing rewards in games. So if you're new and you don't know what Microsoft is, they're basically this mega company that hosts a lot of things like Xbox. They have their own web browser, Microsoft Edge, and you actually can sign up to do things like search things into the search bar, do games, and redeem rewards. So you'll sign up here. It's free. You don't have to spend anything. And then once you're ready, you can go back here into the web page and you can actually start redeeming points that can equivalent to actual gift cards and stuff like that. This is really great because if you're a teen, chances are you don't have a bank account. So you can actually redeem points through gift card. So let's take a look right here. So I've been playing around with this for a little bit. I'm only level 1, but basically what you can do is you can actually go right here and it says the new browser recommended by Microsoft is here. And if I open up this real quick, I personally have it installed. You can actually just use their web browser. So instead of using Safari or Chrome, you can use this and you can earn points. So if I type in something like Apple, I'll show you how it works in here. If I should type in something like Apple, let me type it into the actual just like search bar. If I type in Apple, pay close attention to this. You'll actually see in just a second here, I just earned some points right here on the right hand side. I just earned some points for just simply searching things into the search bar. So this is great because although it takes some time to accumulate a lot of points, you know, if you're doing this over a long period of time, a couple of weeks or even a month or two, you can actually start earning a decent amount of points. So if I do that again, let's type in something like, and it really doesn't matter what you type in, but let's say I type in something like keyboard. Once again, you're going to see here, the points go up a little bit, ever so slightly, but over time you can accumulate more points. So this is the browser. You can actually download this. This is their own, basically their search engine, Microsoft Bing. But let me go back to Chrome here and show you what kind of the rewards are looking like and how you can redeem. So it's going to take some time to accumulate on points. If you think this is a get-rich-quick scheme, you're just not going to make a lot of money right away, and I'm just telling you that from the jump. So I don't want you to get your hopes up thinking you can make, you know, hundreds of dollars per week doing this. You're only going to accumulate a little bit of points here and there. But you have 2 options of earning points, and before I go into that, let me just show you what you can actually redeem. So we go to redeem. We can pull it up here, and we can see that there's a variety of things that you can actually select from. You can do redeem rewards and giveaways. So no, you're not going to redeem a Microsoft Surface Pro, but you can redeem points. You can use your points to actually enter in giveaways and stuff like that. You can also do sweepstakes and, you know, donate to the CDC Foundation. A lot of different things you can do. So let's get into the actual gift cards here. We scroll down a little bit. You can earn Xbox gift cards, Xbox Live Gold memberships, Skype credits. We can scroll here. They have a variety of different gift cards. Let's see. They have Dunkin', Taco Bell, Grubhub gift cards, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Starbucks, Hulu, Burger King, Domino's. This is great because especially if you're a teen, you don't have a bank account, chances are. So you can actually just do a lot of your earning through here. So if you shop at any of these locations, you can actually, you know, accumulate points over time. And after playing around for a little bit, you can actually accumulate a decent amount of points. We even see here Target, Walmart, and, you know, the list goes on, and they're always updating these things. So if I actually click on, let's say Hulu right here. If I click on the gift card, which it's not letting me do. Okay, so you just have to click on this bar right here. You can set a goal, and you can see how much, you know, the point value takes to be able to earn each amount. So you can even set a goal. If I hit set a goal here, or set as a goal, I can kind of pace myself to see how much it'll take to earn enough points. So I know it's a decent amount of points, but it's worth it because you just simply go into your everyday Google search, or you know, go into your everyday, you know, if you're doing homework or any kind of projects or anything like that, just use Microsoft Edge. Use this, have it up in the background, download this Microsoft browser and use that. I could also remove the goals and stuff like that. But yeah, that's how you do it. And you can there's two ways, like I said. So you can just simply search things to earn points, or you can also go and do tasks and rewards. So you can do surveys, you can do daily polls to earn different points, and each day you get a different point total. You also have this right here, which is a whole bunch of more of activities. You can earn 100 points just from taking a tour of how to earn points. I think that's awesome. And it's real simple. They have a whole bunch of things to pick from, and that is website number 1 for teens. Again, you're not going to make a ton of money, but for a teenager with no bank account and no other means of making money, I think this is a nice little reward system that you can get yourself invested in. So for website number 2, we actually have this website called Cambly. Basically, you get to be paid to be an English tutor. Now, I know what you're thinking. Alex, I don't have a degree. I'm a teenager. How can I potentially do this? Well, it's great because you actually do not need any type of certification to become an English tutor. Cambly basically allows you to have one-on-one conversations from people across the world and get paid for doing so. I'm on Microsoft Edge right now, but keep in mind you do need to have Google Chrome. So let's take a look at this to get started. So if we click on that, we're going to go to the website. Let me just show you from here. So you're going to go to the website. You could read up on it. It's honestly really great. I'm signed in, though, so it's going to bring me to here. So once you're on the website, you're going to go and you're going to scroll all the way down to become a tutor. I'm actually just going to pull it up here on Google Chrome. So you go and you can type it into Google and become a tutor. Once you become a tutor, you're going to sign up, and you're just going to, and it says right here, learn to speak like a native. So they're going to be people all over the world that just wants to have a one-on-one conversation with an English speaker. This is how a lot of people actually learn how to speak English. They either watch it on TV, listen it to radio, or just speak or have conversations with native English speakers. So here's some of the benefits to it. Let me just, I pulled it up. Where did I pull it up? I think I had it on here. So here are some of the benefits to this. So you get paid weekly. So earn for every minute you spend chatting. So you can see the rates right here. This is honestly great, and you get paid through PayPal every Monday as a teen. Once again, chances are you might not have a bank account. So PayPal is great. You can sign up for like PayPal teens, or just have a parent or guardian sign up with the PayPal with you. You can tutor anytime, anywhere. So there's a broad amount of people across the globe that are signed up with Cambly. So chances are to get essentially gigs, they're pretty high. And on top of that, you're also making a great global impact. Being able to have one-on-one conversations with people is amazing. And on top of that, they'll guide you through it, how to get started, and what you need to do to get set up. Just keep in mind, though, these are the things that you need to have. You need to have high-speed internet. Now, I'm not saying you need something crazy, but you shouldn't be lagging and installing too much. A built-in or an external webcam. You can either use a cheap one off of Amazon for like $10, $12. They just need to be able to visually see you. Good lighting, once again, ring light, $10 off of Amazon, and microphone or headset. You can really just use your standard Apple or Android headphones that come along with a built-in mic. And yeah, so Cambly's number 2, pays really well. It pays through PayPal as well, which I know a lot of teens, they prefer being paid through PayPal anyway. So check that out, Cambly. So for website number 3, we have this website called UserTesting. You basically get paid to play games and do surveys. So this is what it looked like in Google. Then you'll go over here to the actual website. You can read up on it. It's really great. I've actually gotten a couple of tests here, and on the screen here, you're going to see an email of someone from UserTesting sending me an email saying, hey, your test is ready, and you can get paid basically $10 for doing different games and tests like that. So as you can see right here, it's trusted by these startups right here, Walmart, Capital One, Facebook, Domino's, some pretty notable companies right here. So it's really great. It's easy to sign up. It's free to sign up, and you can do a lot of reading on here and see what kind of things they test for. And then when you're ready, you just go up to the get paid test section right here, and this is basically how it works. You sign up, you apply to join the global community. Now, I can admit that at times they are packed, right? So you can apply and it might not get accepted, but just give it a week or two and reapply, then you'll eventually get accepted. You'll take tests, give feedback on the products that you love and use today, and you can earn $10 for every 20-minute test you complete, and even more for interviews. So you have the potential of actually doing one-on-one interviews if they really are intrigued by your testing results on a specific product that they're testing. And like I said, on the screen somewhere, you'll see what an email would look like once you get signed up, how they will basically email you saying, hey, a test is ready. You get signed up and get paid for doing that, which is great. So website number 4 is actually AddFolk.us. I actually did a completely separate video on that, so you can reference that. I went into more detail, but to kind of summarize it, AddFolk.us actually allows you to get paid for shrinking YouTube videos. So this is what you'll type into Google, and this is what you'll pull up. you can actually grab a YouTube video, paste it in here, and then it will add an ad on top of it. So if someone were to click on it, they'll get a 5-second ad, and then they'll have access to go to that YouTube video. You can get paid for simply having people click on it. Now, it's not a lot of money, but what you can do, you can actually make this a passive income technique. So as you can see, I tested it a little bit, and I had a few views, and it earned me, barely a penny, right? But there's a method to actually have a lot of people click on it over a span of time. It's not going to happen right away, but you can actually use form pages. So for example, what you'll do is you'll go to YouTube, grab a video, literally anything you want, and just copy the link for that video. Once you copy the link for that, and I'll do this right here and show you real quick. And once again, I have a whole entire video explaining this, so you can watch that. So you'll then copy the link, paste it in here, shrink link, and then you'll get the link. So once you have this new link, if I click on this link, we'll see here there's actually a quick ad, and every time someone clicks on this, there's going to be a payout going to you. So you can see right here, quick ad, and then if I hit skip, then I have access to the video. That's basically how it is, and that's how it works. And before I show you how you can actually paste that into different places to have people click on it, let me just show you real quick the payout rates. And these are the kind of the payout rates. Now, once again, I have a whole entire separate YouTube video explaining this whole entire format, so you can actually go check that out. But real quick, you can go to pages like Quora to actually paste your link, but you don't want to just paste your link. You actually want to attach it with a quick story, or else you'll be banned and removed from certain forum pages. So this is an example of what I did. I typed Quora basically allows you to answer and ask questions. So any kind of question you could think of, there's probably an answer on it for Quora. So my title was, what are the best ways to lose weight? People are always looking for different techniques to lose weight, and I just wrote this little blurb right here. And then at the bottom of it, I said, if you want to check out the video that helped me, you can click here. And as you can see, AddFolk.us, this is the link I'll click. So over a span of time, people will actually click on the link to see what video you're talking about if you pair it with a nice story. And yeah, so that's basically that. That's number 4. Again, you're not going to be making a whole bunch of money right away, but it's a passive income style that you can, set up and have it down the line, maybe 2-3 months. Maybe you make a few extra $20 to $30 just from doing this. So that is website number 4. And last but not least, the last website we have here is Rev. So Rev is actually great. There's actually 2 different techniques you can make money with Rev, and I'm going to show you real quick. So let's go right here. This is what it'll look like in Google. We'll click on it, and this is what it'll bring up. So Rev right here has 3 different main payment options, and then there's another technique I'm going to explain real quick. So basically, you can actually convert audio or video text and get paid for doing that. You can get paid $1.25 per minute. You could also do captioning, where you basically, whenever you're watching a YouTube video, some people like to watch the video with captions. You can actually, if you can type well enough, you can type and actually get paid for doing that. And whatever the video is saying, you can actually just type whatever the video is saying and get paid for doing that. And if you speak and understand a foreign language, you can get paid even more, $3 to $7 per minute for basically translating your video. So if you speak Spanish, German, whatever, and just translating that. So it's really great. If you want to get signed up, it's free to sign up. All you have to do is scroll all the way down. I recommend you read each one of these subsections. They kind of break down everything that you need to know. But what you're going to be looking for, because there's 2 options, you can either go on this website and pay to have someone do this for you. Let's say you own a company or a video making company or something. You can actually pay Rev to do this for you. Or what you're here for is you're going to actually be a freelancer, where you sign up for these gigs and actually do that. So what you'll do, scroll all the way to the bottom and then click freelancers. Then you'll get signed up. They'll go through a little bit of a test to make sure you're capable of actually, one of the 3 options that you pick. It's free to sign up, and then you'll do like a test. It literally says right here, takes less than an hour, just to make sure you're actually capable of doing what you're doing. And this is what it is, right? So you can create a flexible work schedule. You can choose from hundreds of jobs, and you get paid weekly through PayPal. This is great for teens. Now, the second option you can do with this, if we go all the way back down again, we see here you can actually become an affiliate for Rev. So let's say you actually want to help promote this amazing website to other people. You can actually apply to be a Rev affiliate, and it's great because you don't actually have to sign up to do any of the tasks. You can actually just promote it to other people. You sign up, you drive, you advertise, and you can drive sales, and then you get you earn a commission. So earn up to $40 per referral with minimal effort using trackable links. That is awesome. That is what we call affiliate marketing. So that kind of sums it up here. Those are my 5 favorite websites for teens to start making money online. If you really want to learn how you can take this last part right here, how to become an affiliate to the next level, I highly recommend you check the first link in my bio, or the first link in my description. That's the 15-day business builder challenge. It's like a boot camp that's gonna, it's a crash course on everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. It's gonna help give you all the foundations of how you can actually promote other people's products and earn a commission for it. It's honestly great. And yeah, so if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. Let me know. I plan on making more videos on teaching young people and just people in general how to make money online. And yeah, leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys all next time.